Hey, what is up, everybody?
Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day.
So, we did plan on doing some dumpster diving the last couple of days. Now, unfortunately, here it is raining.
Oh, it has been so wet here. It went from snow to rain to rain to rain.
Now, the good thing about it is finally starting to melt all the big snowbanks.
Yeah.
So, we're getting on with spring real quickly, which is really nice. But one of the things that we love to do when it's a rainy day out
Is use our wire stripper and strip some wire.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do some wire stripping. Well, Cassie's gonna do some wire
I'm
stripping.
gonna be doing it. Sean, from his lung collapse, is still healing, so he's not able to lift. He's not allowed to do anything.
No repetitive work for me, that's for sure.
So, and me for my surgery a couple months ago, I'm good. So I can now start lifting and start doing stuff. So slow and steady wins the race.
That's right.
So I'm just gonna go at my own pace and get some of this done. Now, we are actually doing a 1 year challenge with our copper hoard. And as of May 27th,
Yep.
for anybody who is new to the channel, we are going to be bringing in our copper hoard.
All the copper that we have hoarded here, which at the end of the video we will show you guys everything. But yeah, we're going to be bringing that in on May 27th.
Yeah. Now, currently in our area, the price for bare break copper is up. So right now it's about $3.18 per pound.
Canadian.
So that's pretty good in our area.
That's pretty good.
Now hopefully the price stays up like that for the next month. And
Yeah.
if it does drop, no worries. If the price drops, we're not bringing it in at that time. We'll wait until the price goes up a little bit.
Yeah, we'll save it for a little bit longer because we do want to get the best price we possibly can.
Yeah.
But as of May 27th will be technically 1 year that we've been saving all our copper.
And we do. We love pushing ourselves for that 1 year.
Yeah.
And we seem to do a lot of 1 year challenges.
Sure.
1 year saving change, see how much we could get. 1 year scrapping, how much did we make?
Yeah. And now 1 year of copper hoarding.
Now, I think it's just cool to give yourself a pat on the back and be like, yeah, I did this.
Absolutely.
It's motivation, and it definitely seeing the result of it makes you want to push that next year.
That's right.
So hopefully if this doesn't just motivate ourselves, it motivates somebody else. Just one person, that's all it takes. So, and that's what we're all about. It's about the motivation, the inspiration, and just knowing that if you set your mind to something, you can do it.
That's right. And we're just trying to share our knowledge as we learn it. Because again, all this is pretty much new to us.
Yeah, we weren't scrappers. We never saw the value in metals.
No, we never saw the value in all this goodies.
And, they always say that it takes an unfortunate event or something bad to happen before you will push yourself or test yourself. And when Sean's lung collapsed a year and a half ago, we were watching a lot of YouTube videos.
Yep.
And a lot of it was scrappers and junk collectors, curbside, and just watching them, seeing what they were finding, and I was like, whoa, I see microwaves on the side of the road. I see this on the side of the road, And it just slowly began, and now we collect everything.
Absolutely.
We see value in everything, and it's the most fun I have had.
Yeah, and you're probably not going to get rich from it, but if you do have extra time and you do enjoy it, why not do something you enjoy and make a little bit extra money?
And that's the other thing. By doing this, we have been able to provide a little bit of extra income to our family.
Absolutely.
So, even pop cans off the side of the road, collect them, bring them to the scrapyard. And at first, I was really, really intimidated because there wasn't too many female scrappers.
No.
So it was a little nerve-wracking. I was scared to put myself out there, but I knew that I set my own bar.
That's right.
And if I told myself I couldn't do it, I wouldn't. So instead, I said, why can't I?
That's right.
I can. And I just kept pushing. And now, watching and seeing so many other female scrappers out there, it's awesome. It's a great feeling. And just knowing that it doesn't matter who you are, how old you are, or what sex you are. You can do this.
That's right.
Yeah.
So Cassie's gonna do some wire stripping, and once she's done that pile we got there, we will show you guys what we currently have to date.
And remember, everybody scraps at their own pace, in their own way.
That's right. Boom.
There we go. So I was able to get all that stripped. So now all we have to do is separate the copper from the sheathing and wind it up and put it in our Bear Bright boxes. So
Nice.
yeah, money in the bank.
And that only took Cassie about half an hour to do.
Now mind you, some of this stuff is a little bit harder to get out. A lot of this wire, it is found in the garbage, and it's taken out of places where
Probably had some kind of electrical problem.
yeah, because a lot of it is burnt on.
Yeah.
So it does take a little bit more time to get off, but it's still worth it.
Absolutely. So we're going to get this all done, and then we will show you guys how much copper we have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scrap kitty.
Alrighty.
So we got all the copper pulled out, and the stuff that we already stripped today, we went ahead and we got put in. And I'm super impressed with what we do have so far.
It is quite a sight.
And Fat Cat here, she just loves the whole process of us stripping wire because she gets to play with and bat at the at the wires and everything. It's a free toy for her. Oh, I know.
But yeah, so this is approximately 10 months, just a little bit over 10 months of copper. Now, in this blue container is filled with copper pipes, and that's all number 2 copper. And this will be all copper number 1. That's copper number 1. That's copper number 2. Our scrapyard will probably give us copper number 1 for these. And that is the burnt wire. We do still plan on cleaning that up as we keep adding to it as we do all the stripping. And this is all the Bear Bright.
Yeah.
So in total, I would say we probably have just over 200 pounds or so all together.
And right now at approximately $3.18 per pound.
That's pretty good.
That's some money saved up in the bank, so.
Absolutely. So I'm guessing we definitely have at least $500 worth of copper here in 10 months. So that would equal to be about $50 per month that we've managed to just put away. And really didn't take us too much time to do all of this. In total, we have maybe about 5 to 6 hours of using the wire stripper so far.
And it is something that I do enjoy. It's repetition, so I like doing the same thing over and over again. And I was really big into puzzles until I got the wire stripper.
Absolutely.
Now I do that, and it's so much more satisfying because you get to see the end result, and you're actually doing something. You're getting some upper body movement also and exercise, so I really enjoy it.
Can't go wrong with that.
No.
So yeah, this is something that we like to do, especially when it's a rainy day outside and you can't really go dumpster diving or do any of that kind of stuff. Then if you do have copper wire and you do have a copper wire stripper, then yeah, I would recommend stripping some copper wire.
Every little bit does count.
It sure does. And as you guys can see, it adds up real quickly. So not too shabby.
And then we have still all that.
Yeah, we still have a little bit of copper here to process. I have to get a hacksaw so that I can hack off the nice pieces and take those copper number 2 pieces and put it in the copper number 2 bucket. But other than that, we are officially done processing our copper again until we get some more.
Well, and with the way our health kind of went this winter, it kind of stopped us from being able to go out and find too much, unfortunately. So even with having that gap of bad weather, our health, and stuff like that, we were still able to get this amount.
Absolutely.
So
that's not too bad for
it's
coming out of dumpsters.
It's definitely in the dumpsters. It's there.
It's
People
there.
are throwing it out. So just gotta go find it.
So yeah, we just wanted to show you guys that we're still pushing the dream every day, no matter what.
And definitely keep pushing your dream, keep pushing your passion, however, whenever you can. Try to have fun with it, and we will see you soon.
We will see you guys soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama.